Okay, another daytime recording for me. A little unusual for me, but this one popped up and it looked to be too good to pass since lately I have been posting the story of one sky over various social media because with what's going on around the world and here in the US, I think the message in this is extremely important. And someone has put together the song, but using 11 different performances to complete it. So I'm curious as to how well they did. So let's go and take a look.
Can't believe what's happening at all.
The premiere of it.
Hyper's crazy, we reborn to fall. We are the reason we causing all that pain. The secret one that kills time. Billions of senses, billions of senses, and dreams, billions of lives. Should the devil do senses for so this
Great editing. I'm enjoying the compilation they've put together, the editing and that, the costumes on there, but also with it occasionally sounding as a duet of Dimash singing with himself.
we're choosing life. We're choosing life. Hey! 'Cause we are choosing life. Learn to share again. Learn to share again. Not share. We have passed the moment of immersion. Was it the beginning? Do we have to say? Time is up, it's time to set the here is my strength. Every man is on the edge of your regret. Our future is rising up the same. All of the crazy problems falling. We decide to solve the training. We decide to find a time to rise. Yeah. choosing
Anybody know exactly what he says in that portion?
We are choosing life, life, life! We need peace! We need peace! We need peace!
I don't know about you, but I thoroughly enjoyed that one. And as I said, I've been sharing this song a lot. I'm keeping tabs on what is happening in Gaza, what is happening in Ukraine. Uh, there's things going on in the Congo. We've had school shootings um, and just, everywhere. And then here in the U.S., uh, what were peaceful protests were kind of forced into a more violent protest. And, with all of this, it is the people that are suffering. It is not the so-called leaders who suffer. What they have to gain, I really don't know, other than a sense of power on that. And of course, some of them have the monetary gain that they're looking for. But it's the people of the world that suffer. And as Dimash says, we need to choose life. We need to choose peace. We need to start telling the piper to go to hell. And with that, I will say goodbye. Peace.